Hi students, in this video discuss about on SQL commands. SQL commands means SQL commands or instructions. It used to communicate with the database. It is also used to perform the specific tasks, functions and queries of the data. SQL can perform various tasks like create table, add data to table, drop the table, modify the table, and set permissions for users. Next, types of SQL commands. There are 5 types of SQL commands: DDL, DML, DCL, DCL and DQL. So data definition language commands or DDL, data manipulation language commands DML, data control language command DCL, and transaction control language DCL, and data query language commands DQL. So DDL means create, drop, alter and truncate. DML commands are insert, update, delete. DCL commands are grant and revoke. DCL commands are commit, revoke and save point. DQL commands is select. Data definition language DDL. So DDL, the changes of structures of the table like creating table, deleting table and altering table, etc. All the commands of DDL are auto-committed. That means it is permanently save all the changes in the database. Here some commands are under the DDL: create, alter, drop, truncate. Create. It is used to create new table in the database. Syntax is create table, table name, open braces, then column name, data type and etc. For example, create table employee, the column name is name, data type is varchar20, another column name is email, the data type is varchar100. So another data column name is DOP, meaning date of birth, data type is date. Drop. It is used to delete both structure and the records stored in the table. So syntax means drop table, table name. For example, drop table employee. Alter. It used to alter the structure of the database. It changes could be either to modify the characteristics of existing attributes or properly to add new attributes. Syntax: to add the new column in the table, alter table, table name, add column name, column definitions. To modify on the existing column in the table, so alter table, table name, modify column definitions. For example, alter table student details, add address varchar20. Another example, existing column name. So yeah, alter table student details, modify name varchar20. Truncate. It used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the table. Syntax: truncate table, table name. For example, truncate employee, truncate table. The second one is data manipulation language. DML commands are used to modify the database. It is responsible for all forms of changes in the database. The command of DML is not auto-committed, so it means can permanently save all the changes in the database. They can be rolled back. Here some commands on the DML: insert, update, delete. Insert. The insert command is the SQL query. It used to insert the data in the row table. Syntax: insert into table, table name, columns and values are values. Value 1 to value n, or insert into table name values, value 1 comma value 2 up to value n. For example, insert into Java point the author comma subject. This is a column name and the values are sun2 comma dbms. Data manipulations. Another command is update. This command is used to update or modify the values of the column in the table. The update table syntax: the update table, update table name, set column name equal to value comma column name to equal to value 1 to etc. Column name n to equal to column value n. So where condition is optional. For example, update student, set username equal to no, where the student id equal to 3. Third one is delete. It used to remove one or more row from the table. Syntax: delete from the table name where conditions. For example, delete from Java point where author name equal to Sano. Third one is data control language. Fifth one is data query language. DQL is used to fetch the data from the database. It uses only one command, select. Select is the same the projection operations of relational algebra. It used to select the attribute based on the condition described by the var class. Syntax: select expressions from the table var conditions. For select employee name from employee where age greater than or equal to 20. Thank you.